Good evening, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Okay, fine. Any queries up to now among you all from your side? In the tools, whatever we have learned.
Offset it is okay, sir.
Up to offset, okay, na? Fine. Let us make a sample, okay, today for electrical and also civil. Today, let us make a few examples and then let us continue remaining tools. Okay? Fine. Okay, better everyone keep in mute. Let us make a sample of this. Enter the upper side, okay? Upper circuit. And bottom also there is one more circuit connectivity. This entirely out of this, let us make this upper side for electrical engineer. Here you will come to see how the offset is used and also trims, how we are going to trim. And for electrical persons, we have the symbols mostly in inbuilt of AutoCAD. Before that, let us make the structure, the wiring system, whatever, entire wiring system. Let us make it here. First, units, let us change. It is in inches, convert it to decimal. 0.00 is enough. Convert it to clockwise. Okay. Now, let us assume here for electrical dimensions would be, okay, assuming is mandatory. Assumption of dimension is most important. I'll enter. Before that, let us take an axis. Check the dimensions initially. 534. It is too huge. We require that much bigger. In this itself, let us make the entire output. Let us convert this to layers are most important. I will explain the layers at last. Before that, let us make an example. This is entirely shortcuts itself. And enter. $150, $100. That's it. Let us assume up to from here to here. Let us bring and let us shift. Okay. From here to here. From here to here, let us make it as 75. Enter. Whatever here it is, let us make trims. No worries. Okay. Don't concentrate here. It is we have made like this. We can delete this at last. And this dotted lines also we can delete this reference. So let us make it now itself. Now offset. OFF. Enter. Let us make offset distance from here to here 20. Provide offset distance 20. Select this. Rather than 20, let us make it as 40. OFF. Enter. Specify D. 40. Enter. Select this and convert this side. This line. And from here to here, let us make it as 20. Again, select this element. From here to here, 20. Enter. Okay, up to here it is. And from here to here, let us make it as 20 itself. Again, select this. 40 it is. Make it to 20. Okay, that should be enough. And here, see, from here to here it went upward. Let us continue that later on. Before that, let us make the remaining lines from end to end, bottom to here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines. Again, offset, OFF, enter. Select the distance to 15. Enter. Select this one and this. Again, enter. Again, enter. Let it be 15. Enter. Select this. 15. Select this. 15. 3. 4 are there. Change the distance to 10. Enter. Distance. Select this. Select this. 10. Let it be like this. Okay. 4 are there. 4. That's enough. Now escape. And then we need to extend this a bit and connect to there. And enter. Either you can do like that, or you can extend a line, and enter. First point 30 I need. Enter. From here I am expecting let it be 20. Enter. And upper side select the end and again enter. These all symbols we will get in inbuilt, I hope. I'm not sure what kinds of symbols are there. Let me cross check. Except these symbols, I will let us finish the entire circuit diagram. Okay. Coming to these symbols, I will let you know from where to choose, how to choose, and resize is mandatory for that. By default, constant dimensions will be for it. Okay. Enter. Enter. Select the distance to 5. That's enough. Select this and make it 5. Select this and change to 5. Okay, again enter. Here see, it will come up to here. Okay, so we can trim it. Trimming is choosing the trimming symbol, that will be advantage for us. Okay, rather than making always. Offset will be preferable. And again, I'll enter. 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 Select individually. Enter. Select this point to this point. Escape. And here, this shape, let us choose from inbuilt. Okay, let us make reference up to here. ABC, enter. Let us specify a rectangle. TR, enter. Let's select these all objects. and delete this. See how we use extend to select this. Enter. Extend entities. This is what we use the use of extend ex enter shortcut. Okay, and here also same process we need to change again. To enter, select distance, let the distance be 5. Again enter, select this, that will be 5. Again enter, select the distance 2.5. Enter, select this, and from bottom side here we need to make setup. Okay, upper is finished, bottom one now. Here let us make a line. Okay, here enter, let us choose what we need to trim. Again enter, select the what we need, what we don't need, just finalize. Again the first I'll enter, then enter, tr enter, select the zone. Again enter, select the upper circuit, bottom circuit, this one, and again this one. Enter. ABC, enter, provide proper rectangle, ex, enter, enter, escape. Now tr, enter, select these all tools, enter. Now it's time to trim unwanted features. Just as per this, make sure how the input is there. Now normal manually select this and delete it. No issue. Up to these two are fine. And next upcoming here. Directly by using rectangle we can trim this. At last let us choose this and this. Let us make this entire setup properly. Plotted here see. The line is starting. If there is no line extension, like we need to trim this. This one. 4 lines are there. Out of the third wire is we need to change this. For that reference is mandatory. L enter. Let's provide a line from here to here. Let it be more, no issue. Okay, we can delete this later on. Here enter. Select these all. Enter. Select the entities which we need to trim. Up to here. This one and this one. Enter. And now next step. Enter. process as you. Okay, TR enter. Let us select this all. Enter. It's time to trim. Enter. Okay. Now REC. Enter. Let us make a proper rectangle. Now let us convert this into dotted layers. Maximize this. Escape. Select the entire rectangle by layer. Yes. Escape. It's converted to line, but it is not showing. Sometimes it happens. Let us delete this. If not that it is not happening, first keep this in dotted and REC. Enter. Actually we got that. Here it is so bigger. That is what. See, let us change the layer. Other, let us provide load. Let us enhance this. Dotted lines, let us provide a so minor one. This one. Okay. Okay. Select this. Escape. Like this. Okay. Dotted one it is. Let this be up to here. And coming to next, here there are multiple symbols, ammeter, GR. Okay. For this, it needs from inbuilt we can choose these all. We need to provide proper gap. After providing the, if you are directly we can take it from the inbuilt and place it here. At last here, two exit points, vertical circuit, L, enter. Provide the distance 50. Here, most important is we need to change the layer whenever you are making. Okay, I will let you know what is the most importance of layer. And enter. Make sure that it is by layer. If it is in straight line, it will come only in straight line. If it is in dotted, it will get only in dotted, like that. And enter. TR enter. Select the object center. Trim this. Enter. Finish. Up to here. And upcoming next symbols. Let us cross check from the inbuilt. Yes, there are switches. Particle one. These are what it will be. Let us provide the rectangle, then we will get perfectly easily. Here enter. Select these all. Let us select selected objects. Enter. And now let us trim. Okay. Again enter. So let us delete this. Delete. And again TR enter. REC enter. We are providing rectangle only as a reference. Okay. Nothing else. No special for this. Why only rectangle means this will be a bit easier. Here enter. Select this one. Enter. Provide this. Escape. And select this and delete it. Okay. This one. And here also. PC enter. Provide a rectangle. TR enter. Select this one. Enter. Select this one. Escape. Now it's time to place the symbols directly. For symbols, go to view in that tool palettes. In tool palettes, we have multiple symbols for electrical, mechanical, various symbols. This comes under mechanical, clock light, imperial, and from here we need to choose clock light, imperial. 1:1 ratio. Okay, it will come. Yes, see. Place it here. Destinator. Yes, see. You can see. Here you can increase the size. Text options, attribute here, each and everything manually we need to change. Okay. Go to properties. Scale 1:1. Increase it to 1:2. See, it got increased. Just better cross check. Is this enough, or we need to increase a bit? Let us convert this to 1:5. Right click, properties. Convert it to 1:4. Okay. That 1:2. Okay. And then cancel. 1:10. If one you got na, remaining all you can copy. Okay. Only one side we need to make it perfect. That's more enough. 1:10 let us make. With the password. Okay. Cancel this. Okay. 1:10 is. Rising scale also you can make manually if you want to increase. That's remaining. Better you can Control C. You can copy and paste into the remaining places. With this home button. And here you have the option copy, CO enter, or C enter. CO enter. Select this. Again enter. Provide the proper distance. Select this. Center to center. we have. Okay. And coming to next is push button. Okay. Switch again. CO enter. Select one point, one side, and drag it. Here let us switch this off. Ortho mode. That will be advantage for us. And again escape. And remaining. What is the name of this? Can you anyone name? Anyone takes the name of this? I am from mechanical.
Sir, it's a selector switch, sir.
Selector. Okay, fine. Actually, I am from mechanical. That is what?
No issue.
Okay, thank you. Selector switch. We need to relay contact temperature. Push button. Whatever we need to cross check from these all. Okay, and we need to place as I mentioned. And scaling is most important for us. Here also we have multiple switches. Let us add. Before that we need to trim, because here you can see how switches we got. Okay, line a bit extended. Select it and select it to here. That is better. From here to here itself. At last select this. Select it here. This will be advantage. If it select here directly, you can drag it from endpoint to center. And if we want this to opposite side, here see how we have. I will just provide the hint. Okay, entirely I can't for mechanical. Sorry, electrical. Openly I'm telling. I will just provide how we can. I will just show the path for you. See, direction changes. To provide this direction, I will guide you like that. How to do that one. Okay, here we have provided wrong direction. Don't worry. For this, MI enter. Select this one. Enter. And select this one. Erase this object. Yes, it will get erased. This is what output. Got it? Again, move enter. M. Select this one. Enter. Always better select the center point. Okay, M enter. Select this one. Enter. Select the center of the circle. Here we got the difference. Due to this snap, it is not able to select it. Select this one. Again, place it properly. Put it. Mention like this. That will be advantage. Okay, one if you got perfectly, this is also I placed mistake. Directly I am informing. See, the switch is in this way. So we need to just copy paste that switch. Delete this one and better copy this one. For that, CO enter. Select this one, enter, and try to move it from the center. Here ortho mode we make it as on. with the help of ortho mode, we will get directly center point. And try to drag it, put it exactly at the center. And again enter. And here we have multiple switches. For that, let us finish those all switches. Let me cross check. See, same kinds of switches. Let us place these switches, and I'm not sure this where it will be, but in electrical it will be, I'm sure, in this electrical catalog. And as per the updated version, you will get many additional mushroom, how these will be, temperature switch. Mushroom button. We don't have mushroom button. Here I have. This is the mushroom button. Is that? Here, these two. Yeah. Zoom in it. Drag it. No issue, even though if you're not placing properly, let it be like this. And again, you can resize this. For that, two options. Either you can go to properties or SC enter. SC enter. Scaling. Scaling will be easier. Again enter. Better. Select. But you need to be proper. Select at the center and drag how much we need. Let us decrease a bit, because here it is touching nearly. Okay. Again, M enter. Select this, enter. Let us choose at the center and drag it to here. And finally, select this one. Yes. By selecting this, don't scare that this line is getting angularity here. Okay. Don't click anywhere else. Just click only at the center. It will come. Okay. No worries regarding that. Same switch. It looks nearly same, but please search from your side. Okay, electrical department, whoever it is. CO, enter. Select this, enter. Select this center and drag it to zoom in and select this. And again escape. Okay. And if required, you can trim also. TR, enter. Select these all, enter. Select this. If you are trimming, that will leave. No? Select this point, escape, finish. This one. These two switches, I placed other one. It nearly looks as same. Okay. If you are not getting that, enter. One point to other point, escape. Like this, you can make it. Okay. Enter. From this point to this point, escape. TR, enter. Select this one. You can trim this. Okay, let this be like that. We cannot edit this one. Okay, because this is inbuilt. And the remaining. So these switches. Between this, let us provide a rectangle. I am not sure that we will get a rectangle with square. I am making it manually. That will be advantage for me to finish early. Okay, CO, enter. Select this part, enter. Select this center, and I will drag it nearly to here, and one by one. That will be first step. tr, enter, trimming, select the entire objects. If you are getting in green, it will be easy to trim. Okay, I can't escape now. C, CO, enter, select this object, enter, select this center, and select shift and select on this point, and again select on this point. Okay, escape. TR, enter, select this all, enter, and finally select these two, enter. Okay, now finally for these lines, select the center, select that line and drag it. You will get it. It will fix to there. Okay, and remaining this rectangle, you can make the rectangle manual process. REC, enter, that will be better. Present, coming to my side. Okay, because I need to show an example for civil engineers also. Are there any mechanical engineers? Because for them it will be easy coming to my side. REC, enter, and this what do you say, whatever the rectangle we are making now, even offset we can do, no issue. Offset will be advantage because it will get, you will get proper distance. Again enter, okay, nearly it looks. And for this, normally we can inbuilt, I hope there are, you have the circular option, something else. Okay, no, we can draw normal circle and even from internet you will get many types of shortcuts. Okay, for mechanical it would be, civil it would be, electrical it would be. By default you will get very less here, but from internet you can download easily shortcuts. Shortcuts in the sense, these all tools here limited edition are there. As for myself, mechanical for me not required for us, so I didn't download anything else. You can get shortcuts of these all many. Okay, up to here any queries from your side? Voice clarity I don't have. Sorry. Yeah, any queries up to here?
Sir, actually, whatever symbols we taken from the tools palette, no?
Yeah, tool palettes.
Sir, actually, I'm not able to find that in my AutoCAD version. Actually, my version is AutoCAD 2018.
2018. It is updated because mine it is 2013 version.
Okay.
You will have many tools rather than me, and I have a
Okay.
2017 mine. Yeah, for
Okay.
updated version you will have many. See, better right click here. Here
Wait, wait,
you can
wait,
see
wait, wait.
tool palettes view.
Where's
At top, right click
uh-huh.
from here itself. See parametric. These all.
Okay, sir.
Go to view. Right click here. Show tabs. Select view. I hope your view is hidden. Unhide if I am telling. I can't see the view. Got it?
Okay,
Right
sir.
click at the top. Show tabs.
Hmm.
View. In this view, tool palette.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Better cross check. No issue. You will get. And from internet, coming to electrical and civil, you can download as many you need. Okay. Rather than depending in the limited edition of whatever tools you have. And coming to here text how to type, I will let you know especially here remaining the annotation part and layers. And for civil engineer tomorrow I will currently we have less time. For civil I will tell one more example. Okay, civil it will be easier I hope, because only doors will be windows and doors. Let us make some kind of example among this. Coming to civil engineer. Okay, is there any mechanical? Just let me know. For them also I will provide an example. And yeah, at Saturday I didn't took any class. Okay, coming to admin, whoever it is, I was busy on Saturday in personal work. Up to here, any queries for electrical department?
Sizing and size equation, sir. How we
Sorry?
select the size distance?
Yeah, size
Distance and
distance I said
sizing
you.
part.
See, by seeing this model, I estimated the size. Here, as per the for civil engineers and mechanical, there will be by default sizes mentioned. But for you, wirings will be rather than sizes. Got it? For company norms, it will be separate. Okay, as per company norms, they will let you
Um,
know. Okay.
okay. Sir, one thing.
Yeah.
Here, here they are mentioning some color codes, sir, like
This.
RYB black. Sir,
Uh,
how to mention this on the our schematic drawing?
I will let you know this in the next session after finishing the layers. So up to
Okay, sir.
here, before that I want to explain you how to, with the
Okay.
use of drawing toolbar or modified toolbars, whatever we made among these all, how to make this entire structure. Okay. After
Okay, sir.
finishing the layers, I will explain in this layers. Okay. After finishing this, I will explain you.
Okay,
For
sir.
that we need to provide multiple layers. Here there are four types. Well, if four layers we need to provide. I will let you know
Okay.
this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
The designing requirements, sir. How much rectangle or square required? That will come after practice or any
After
means with the
practice
tweak.
only.
Means
After
with
practice
practice we
only.
will generate.
Exactly, you will come to know. Because once you are going to
Otherwise,
interview, they will just provide diagram in front of you and ask you what are the technical names of these all, and what is how come you make the layers. These are most important.
otherwise all with the practice we will generate.
Yeah.
How fast we can generate.
Exactly, how fast you can do. They will just provide you the diagram. I want output as soon as possible. You can estimate wiring diagrams as much as per your choice dimension in the interview. After once the company you are shortlisted in the company, they will let you know entirely. Here there is a sample diagram. Okay, that is what. And especially for civil department, dimensions will be, see, for electrical they didn't provide. Rather than dimension, the output is important. See, wiring connection. If one connection is a mistake, now entire short circuit will happen. You know well. So rather than dimension, how you are providing the circuits is most important. How you are showing the path.
Alignment and distance, that is also not an issue, sir.
Yeah, that is not an issue. Coming to distance, rather than see, by using proper amount of distance we got here. How? Only by the use of offset. Got it? Offset tool.
Right.
That because always you won't. What do you say? You won't constraint na. सारखं dimension घेत बसणार नाही ना, isn't it? इथनं इथं किती 10 mm directly offset select करून ह्याला select केलं, चलो 1 by 1 you will get automatically. That as I shown you here, offset I have assumed entire dimension and offset with the help of offset itself mostly we made from here to here to here, these all lines. After that we made a trim and specially created the path how here they made. And
Trim and extension is okay, sir. Could you please basic repetition on this offset
offset tool?
trim
fine,
extension.
Okay, fine. I will explain you offset tool once more. See, OF, O enter for offset. Specify offset distance. First, it will, as I said you, in AutoCAD, it will guide in command bar what it needs. We need to follow that. Specify offset distance. Here by default 2.5. Here you can see it is 2.5. Now if you want 10, provide 10, enter. Okay, select the object to offset. Okay, select the object and select enter. So select the object and show the path directly. I'm selecting enter, 10, again enter, select the object and provide the distance. You need upper side or bottom side. It will come upper side, select it. Again, if you want to if you want this one more line, select upper side and select and just click. And if you want this, select this like this. Okay. If you want left side, select the left side in this way.
Okay, got it.
It will be easier. Just practice the tools. That is our first step. You need the practice of tools. Then it will be easy for you to handle.
Right.
Okay. Up to this, you came to know how to make a design of electrical. That is enough for me if you are understanding. And after finishing the layers part now, I will explain red, blue, green, whatever the lines are there now, how to make it. How to change the colors, these all, everything. Yes, the coloring will be, as I briefly I showed you. If you want this manual process means, if you want in red color, see it will shifting. Rather than using in this, by input, before by using like this, while when you are starting the model now, at that time only you will get yellow color, red color, like that. We need to change the layers, see by layer, by block like this. Here it will be everything. Here only one layer is there, we can add as many layers in this. That I will tell you further after finishing this tool. I will explain you. And in tomorrow class, I will explain for civil engineers one more model. That will be advantage. Okay, we can end the session for today. We shall continue tomorrow at the same time.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. Thank you.